Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well at home. In the last video, we had discussed about, I think, what was the lesson? This was about stepwise thinking. In this video, we are going to discuss about features of file management. Now, first thing is, what is file management? फाइल मैनेजमेंट का मतलब होता है फाइल्स को अरेंज मीन्स यू have a kind of mentality to arrange the things. Suppose I am giving you example of that. I had given so many examples earlier also. Suppose you have cupboard in at your homes. What you people are keeping in the cupboard, different things in a different manner. हर चीज़ों को आप अलग अलग तरीके से सजा के रखते हो. Suppose if you are keeping the clothes, you people are keeping it in a different shelves. आप उन कपड़ों को different shelves में सजा के रखते हो. क्यों रखते हो? Arrange करके क्यों रखते हो? Why you are keeping these things in a proper manner? Because if you not keep these things in a proper manner, then it becomes very difficult for you to find out on a proper time. एक खास समय पे क्या होगा जब आपको उस कपड़े की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी पहनने के लिए, तो आपको खोजना पड़ेगा. You'll have to search these things, and it becomes a very tough situation that time. Because you don't have much time to what they call it, to bear it, and you need that. So this is why it is very important your mother or you people are keeping the things in a proper order in the shelves. आप shelves में चीज़ों को देखोगे कि घर में सजा के रखा जाता है. वजह यही होती है कि इन चीज़ों को सजा के इसलिए रखते हैं ताकि हमें कभी भी उसकी ज़रूरत हो तो हम उसको जल्दी से क्या कर रहे हैं, यूज़ में लाएं. So this is why. Second, another thing I am giving you an example of the file management in the computer, that what we are keeping in the computer, it it keeps separately in different folders. Like images we are keeping separate, files file, any type of Word document we are keeping separate, songs we are keeping separate, files videos we are keeping separate. Why we are keeping separate? Because we don't want to struggle. हम स्ट्रगल नहीं करना चाहते. एंड दिस इज वाई वी कीप दीज थिंग्स इन अ प्रॉपर मैनर. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड फाइल मैनेजमेंट इन द कंप्यूटर. Means if we want to keep our things in a proper manner, proper way, this is called file management. Not in computer, in everywhere, in our every place. At our home, your mother is also keeping so many things in the kitchen. Can you see that it is mixed? No, they are not mixed together. They are keeping it separate containers. आपकी मम्मा क्या करती हैं, सेपरेट डब्बे में सेपरेट चीज़ों को अलग रखती हैं. किसी डब्बे में किसी को मिक्स करके नहीं रखती हैं. वाई शी इज़ कीपिंग दीज थिंग्स? बिकॉज उससे क्या होता है ना, वो जब भी किचन में जाती हैं, उन्हें किसी भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़ती है ना, तो वो तुरंत निकाल लेती हैं. बिकॉज she knows everything, that where I am keeping where I kept these things and how I kept. And why she is keeping? Because जब भी वो खाना बनाए तो उनको प्रॉब्लम ना हो, इसलिए this is this is called management. So the same way in the computer we used to say that there is file management also in the computer, which help us to either keep the files and folders in a separate or a different manner. So this is called file management. It is given in the computer that Windows 10 uses NFTS as well as Apple use AFTS. Means Windows 10 is using NFTS as well as Apple OS is using APFS. Now that I hope that you know that folders on the other hand are storage areas where file and store file and folders, as well as just like a plastic folder help us to organize proper things in a computer are used to organize files. So you know very well that these are the things which help us to organize the things. Now what is file? File is very important to understand. I had shown you in the video online class. Right now I will tell you what is basically file. We know that file is a collection of stored in the form of text, picture, videos or images. File कुछ भी हो सकता है, whether it will be image files, text, pictures, videos, music, anything. So you know what, it is example given that paint is a document where whether we are going to download some movies or download some pictures, that will be categorized by the computer. Now here has given some, you know what, properties. What are the properties? As first it is given every file is a defined by a unique name. हर फाइल का एक यूनिक नेम होता है. I had shown you. And the second thing is, if we are saving the files, it can be saved in hard disks, DVD, pen drive, or any other storage devices. Now the third one is the file has a icon associated with the help of identify the file of type. As I had shown you, means with the help of this you will be able to identify whether the file is, you know what kind of file it is. And the last one, every file has an extension. The extension get added to the file whenever we save a file. यानी कि जब भी हम फाइल सेव करने जाते हैं तब उस फाइल के साथ भी क्या होता है, एक एक्सटेंशन होता है. जब हम सेव करते हैं तो वो हमें एक्सटेंशन पता चलता है. So the content of the file can be identified the looking file its extension, यानी कि हम उसके एक्सटेंशन को देख के हम उस फाइल का पता लगा सकते हैं कि किस तरीके का फाइल है, कैसा फाइल है. एग्जाम्पल, द ड्राइंग विच वी क्रिएट इन पेंट सेव इन .png, यानी कि जैसे एग्जाम्पल में दिया है कि जब हम कोई भी इमेज सेव करते हैं what they call it पेंट का, तो वो .png में सेव होता है. एज वेल एज इफ वी आर गोइंग टू सेव द टेक्स्ट फाइल मीन्स word file, then it will be .docx or .docx. So with the help of this we will be able to identify whether it is document, whether it will be text, whether it will be image. I hope you understand. If you have doubts, then ask me in the next online class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.